In this video, I'll be going over 5 tips on how to stop odor down there, because the last thing you want is to sit down somewhere important and that whiff, that aroma, that smelly smell hits your nostrils, you start sweating, and you think, oh God, can anyone else smell it? What's up everybody, George here from GP Lifestyle, helping guys dress better, look better, and ultimately be better through style, tutorial, and tips videos like this. And in today's video guys, I'll be giving you guys 5 tips on how to stop odor down there. If you guys are new here to the GP Lifestyle community, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. Let's jump into it. Tip number 1 is to switch to a more breathable underwear. If you're wearing anything that's polyester, anything that is cheap rung spun cotton, anything that is super compression, like compression underwear or compression shorts as underwear, you are going to have a swamp ass galore. These are not designed to be breathable at all. These are just cheap, run-of-the-mill, nothing special nor functional about them other than that they're underwear. Polyester and compression are your worst, because not only are they going to suffocate your balls, they are going to entrap heat. And once you entrap heat, what happens? Sweating. And what happens when you sweat? You get that odor, that distinctive pungent aroma of down there that smells a lot worse than your armpits. Definitely making the switch to full cotton underwear. If you can buy higher quality cotton underwear like micromodal or Pima cotton or even a Supima cotton, it's going to be definitely a nice option because they're a lot more breathable, they're a lot more light, they don't trap heat as much. Micromodal and Egyptian cotton underwear is going to be your best bet, but definitely they are a lot more expensive and it's not really for everybody's budget. But if you have a pair or two that you whip out for special occasions, I know that may seem a little ridiculous, but occasions that are going to make you nervous and you can actually, get stress sweat down there. But definitely a nice alternative is this Fruit of the Loom breathable underwear. They're basically a full cotton underwear with air holes in it. I know, ridiculous. And you can pick up a pack of 3 of these for like $20. They're definitely a great cheap alternative to one of the more expensive underwears, and they're usually the ones that I wear, if that's helpful. Tip number 2 on this list: to manscape at least twice a month. So we're talking your balls, your gooch, your thigh crease, and your groin. These are areas that are covered by 2 layers of fabric almost all day, your underwear and your pants. If you have an extra bulky layer of hair there, that is just more things that are going to entrap heat and create sweating. Not only will they do that, is that they will automatically conduct more heat and sweating down there because there's a lot of skin-to-skin contact there. That is just going to create a nice, swampy, sweaty, smelly environment. All that can be negated and even improved upon with today's video sponsor, Meridian Grooming. Meridian Grooming is a premium below-the-belt grooming company for men, and their comfort package is what I've been using, and I haven't experienced sweaty, swampy balls or odor down there in the past couple of months. Starting it off with their trimmer, a 6,000 RPM motor topped with anti-nick technology and a sharp ceramic blade that is safe for your most delicate areas. It has a waterproof design and a 90-minute run time. This is going to take care of your manscaping needs, not only for down there, but your entire body, minus sort of your face and beard. Definitely the best dedicated and affordable body groomer out there. But the icing on the cake here is going to be the spray, an antiperspirant with an organic citrus infused blend designed for down there. A couple sprays into the hand, rubbing it into those areas, in a couple of minutes it is dry. You put on antiperspirant and deodorant for your armpits so they don't stink and sweat through, but we never do it for down there, or we don't have the right products to do it down there, because there it can sweat and smell worse. And lastly, if you want to have the best odor resistant protection, definitely their underwear is amazing. Not only are they made from recycled materials to help environmentally, they're also patented aloe vera and anti-odor technology with a soft micromodal cotton designed to prevent odor and make it more breathable. So you're getting 2 tips here with just this one package. Guys, I've partnered up with Meridian in the past, and for this video you can get 15% off using the code GPLifestyle15. Let's move on. Tip number 3 on this list I alluded to previously, and that is to use an antiperspirant down there. It logically makes sense to me, not to the general public for some reason, but hear me out. You use antiperspirant deodorant for your armpits because they sweat. They can get stress sweat. They can seep through your clothing and smell and be embarrassing. But what about down there? Your leg crease, your gooch. They can sweat. They can be, sweaty and seep through, and it can be even more embarrassing and smell even worse. But yet there's really no dedicated products out there. So definitely we can Frankenstein our own using basically an antiperspirant spray. Dove Men or just the Dove line has great antiperspirant sprays. They can be a little bit harsher down there, especially if it's like freshly Manscaped. But definitely if you use something like I mentioned previously with the Meridian spray, which is designed for down there and is more organic and less chemical and synthetic, is definitely a great option. This is just logically makes sense to me because if you do it up here, might as well do it down there. Tip number 4 on this list is to find lighter material pants. Again, here you got 2 layers of fabric that's covering that area for almost the entire day. You need breathable materials. Definitely seek out lighter pants. So if you're wearing a lot of jeans, a lot of cargos, a lot of very corduroy, even a lot of heavier materials, you're just adding more heat down there. Obviously here you got to be weather appropriate, but if you're already sweating down there, that is already too much heat. So definitely opt for lighter pants. One of my favorite pants I like to wear is Uniqlo Easy Pants because they're super light, they're flexible, and I've never actually experienced any odor or sweating down there with these pants on. This is just an extra step that you can take, and with pants like these, they're definitely going to be obviously great for your overall fashion because of their super versatility. But definitely opt for lighter material pants just so you don't build up that much heat and discomfort in that area. The 5th and final tip on this list is to scrub down there with a good body wash every time you're in the shower. I don't care if it's every day, every 2 days, at least every day to every other day. You're gonna have to, because it's not enough, because that area, again, is always covered with fabric. It can always get sweaty. It can always be embarrassing. And if you're not doing the bare essentials of washing it and scrubbing it out really well and manscaping it, it's never going to completely go away. It's just going to be good for a couple days and then back again a couple days. I know there's always this thing, oh, don't body wash every day. It's not good for your skin. You don't need a shower every day. But if you stink, you're going to have to, even if it's just that one spot. Do your absolute best and make sure you get to it every time you're in the shower. Stuff like washing your hair and that we could talk about another time. Definitely, that's the issue. Clean it as often as you can, especially if it starts to sweat and stink. And there you guys have it. Those are 5 tips on how to prevent odor down there. So next time you're in an appropriate scenario, you're not hit with that smelly smell that is smelly. If you guys made it this far into the video, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, because if you made it this far into the video, I can tell you're way more serious about dressing better, looking better, and ultimately being better. Big thank you to Meridian Grooming for sponsoring this video. If you guys like the comfort package, you can get 15% off using the code and link down into the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.